Literally.
Release the jib.
No, it goes on mom's side.
Okay, film me pulling the jib in.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Hi. Daddy,
Yeah.
I'm really water for food.
Water looks cold today, doesn't it?
Yeah. We're on Cayuga Lake and we're sailing. And we're all sailing, and Lainey's at Gavin's house, so Lainey's not on a sailboat. And we have a very big sailboat. Inside of the boat, it's got a bathroom and a bed and a sink right there and a stove.
Right, Lucy, it's got a head.
And then we have shoes area and our bag. See, Cornell's way up there.
Yeah, it looks nice in the light.
And then there's where's the sailing club? Where's the sailing club? And then the sailing club's way down there, if you can see it. And then there's a couple other places. So the sail's really, really, really big. Have a motor aboard, and it's our very first time driving with a motor, and there's the tiller, and Dad's driving.
I love the winch. It makes me feel like I'm on a really big boat. There, now you got it. Yeah, you straightened out right at the right time. Good job. You're gonna left though. You're floating this way.